Just a quick little video on how to change the memory in a Dell Optiplex 3080 or 3090 Micro. And obviously the first thing you want to do is unplug the PC, and then you'll loosen the thumb screw on the back and slide the case open. Generally what I like to do is I'll grab the case with my 4 fingers on the bottom, and I'll just kind of push on it with my thumb. From there, you need to remove the CPU fan assembly, and the speaker wire routes through it. So you'll notice how it sits under this nub here. If you lift up on the wire and pull it away from the nub, that'll give you the slack you need to get over this little hook here. And then from there, you pinch these 2 blue tabs to lift it up, and you can just kind of flop it over and hinge it sideways like that. And then when you replace the memory, there's these 2 spring tabs here. You push them apart and the memory will pop up. Same with the lower slot. And then when you put it in, just put it in a slight angle like that, as you can see. And then push it down until you hear a click. Make sure that these line up with the notches inside of the memory. And then you'll notice some of the gold contacts are exposed. You want to see an even line there. So if you put the memory in crooked, like let's say it was put in like that, you'll notice there's more gold showing over here than over here. Well, you want to make sure that's as even as possible. And then to put it all back together, you'll flip your memory fan over there. This side needs to hook in first because it protrudes under this lip. So you push it in like that. And then I usually just squeeze these and push down. That way it's easier to do. And then to rehook the speaker wire where it belongs, lift it up over that hook, like so. And I did not do a very good job, so I'm going to redo that. And then you want to have enough slack to put it under that nub so it stays in place. And the reason you want to make sure that goes back where it belongs is so it doesn't get pinched in the case. Then from there, just kind of put the top on like that, slide together, and then this little plastic piece here for the, I think it's like cable retention or whatever, you have to put that back in its hole if it's not already in there. And then you just tighten your thumb screw, and you should be good to go to plug it back in. If you're changing or upgrading the memory, it doesn't hurt to hit F12 during boot and then just run the Dell diagnostics. It will probably complain on the first boot anyways and say, you know, like a memory change has been detected, and it'll ask if you want to do something. But otherwise, hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.